Do you think you can handle the heat? Do you consider yourself a spice enthusiast? Well, get ready to put your taste buds to the ultimate test because today we're diving headfirst into the fiery world of Indian cuisine. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will leave you sweating, panting, and reaching for a glass of milk. Forget your plain chicken nuggets and your mild ketchup. We're talking about the real deal, the kind of dishes that will set your tongue on fire and make you question your spice tolerance. Over the next few minutes, we'll be exploring 5 of the spiciest dishes India has to offer. From the fiery depths of Andhra Pradesh to the scorching plains of Rajasthan, we'll be tasting our way through a gauntlet of chilies, spices, and pure culinary excitement. Now, I'm not talking about some casual hot sauce challenge. This is serious business, folks. These dishes are packed with enough heat to challenge even the bravest souls. So if you think you've got the courage, the determination, and the strong stomach to handle the heat, then buckle up. This is going to be a wild ride. Get ready to experience the explosive flavors of India, but be warned, once you go spicy, you never go back. First dish, we're taking on the reigning champion of spicy curries, the Fal curry. This dish is not for the faint-hearted. It's a culinary challenge that has left many brave souls in tears and some even questioning their life choices. This isn't your grandma's chicken tikka masala. No, this is a whole different beast. While chicken tikka masala is a beloved comfort food, the Fal curry is a test of endurance and bravery. This fiery beast hails from the curry houses of Birmingham, England, where it's earned a reputation as the hottest curry in the world. Birmingham, a city known for its rich culinary heritage, has given birth to this monstrous dish that has become a rite of passage for spice enthusiasts. Legend has it that this curry was invented as a dare, a culinary gauntlet thrown down to unsuspecting diners. Chefs wanted to create something so hot, so intense, that it would separate the true spice lovers from the pretenders. They say it's made with a blend of at least 10 different types of chilies, each one more potent than the last. Imagine a symphony of heat, each chili adding its own unique note to the fiery orchestra. We're talking ghost peppers, scotch bonnets, habaneros, the whole lot thrown in there with reckless abandon. These are some of the hottest peppers known to man, each capable of bringing tears to your eyes with just a single bite. One bite of this fiery concoction is enough to send shivers down your spine and have you reaching for the nearest fire extinguisher. The heat is immediate, intense, and unrelenting. They say the heat builds slowly, creeping up on you like a predator stalking its prey. At first, you might think you can handle it, but then it hits you with full force, leaving you gasping for breath. One minute you're enjoying the complex flavors of the spices, the next, your mouth is a raging inferno. It's a roller coaster of sensations, from the initial burst of flavor to the overwhelming heat that follows. But it's not just about the heat. The Fal curry is a masterclass in balancing intense heat with rich, aromatic flavors. Oh no, the Fal curry is a symphony of flavors, a complex blend of spices that will tantalize your taste buds even as they're being scorched to a crisp. It's a dish that demands respect, both for its heat and its intricate flavor profile. You've got ginger, garlic, cumin, turmeric, a whole spice rack thrown in there to create a flavor profile that's as bold and in your face as the heat itself. Each spice adds its own unique character to the dish, creating a complex tapestry of flavors that is as intriguing as it is intense. So if you're feeling brave, if you think you've got the stomach lining of a cast iron pan, then step right up and take on the Fal curry. It's a challenge that will test your limits and leave you with a story to tell. But don't come crying to me when your taste buds are begging for mercy. This is a dish that demands respect and caution. It's not just a meal, it's an experience, a journey through the fiery depths of flavor and heat. So are you ready to take on the curry king of pain? Second dish. We're heading to the sun-baked deserts of Rajasthan where a fiery delight awaits, lal mas. This dish is a true testament to the bold and vibrant culture of Rajasthan, a region known for its rich history, colorful traditions, and of course its spicy cuisine. This dish is not for the faint of heart. Lal mas is a culinary challenge that will test even the most seasoned spice lovers. It's a dish that demands respect and caution, but for those who dare to try it, the experience is unforgettable. It's a meat lover's dream, a fiery red curry that's as bold and intense as the Rajasthani desert itself. The vibrant red color of the curry is a visual warning of the intense heat that lies within, a heat that will ignite your taste buds and leave you craving more. Lal mas translates to red meat, and trust me, this dish lives up to its name. The rich red gravy is a result of the generous use of red chilies, which not only give the dish its fiery heat, but also its distinctive color. It's a fiery concoction of tender mutton simmered in a gravy made with a blend of chilies so potent they could make you break a sweat. The mutton is cooked to perfection, becoming so tender that it practically melts in your mouth, while the gravy packs a punch that will leave you breathless. The secret to the dish lies in the use of Mathania chilies, a fiery red chili native to Rajasthan. These chilies are the heart and soul of lal mas, providing the intense heat and smoky flavor that make the dish so unique. These chilies are known for their intense heat and smoky flavor, and they give lal mas its signature kick. The process of grinding the chilies releases their full flavor potential, infusing the dish with a depth of flavor that is both complex and satisfying. But it's not just about the chilies. The magic of lal mas lies in the careful balance of ingredients, each one playing a crucial role in creating the dish's unique flavor profile. Oh no, this dish is a symphony of flavors, a culinary masterpiece that's been perfected over centuries. The combination of spices, herbs, and aromatics creates a harmonious blend that is both bold and nuanced. You've got garlic, ginger, onions, and a blend of aromatic spices that come together to create a flavor profile that's as complex and nuanced as it is fiery. Each ingredient adds its own unique touch, enhancing the overall taste and making every bite a new adventure. Traditionally, lal mas is cooked over a low flame for hours, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen, resulting in a rich and satisfying curry that will have you licking your lips and gasping for air at the same time. The slow cooking process ensures that the mutton absorbs all the flavors, becoming incredibly tender and flavorful. They say the dish was a favorite among the Maharajas of Rajasthan, who were known for their love of spicy food and their extravagant lifestyles. The royal kitchens of Rajasthan were renowned for their elaborate and flavorful dishes, and lal mas was a standout favorite. So, if you're looking for a culinary adventure that will transport you to the heart of Rajasthan, look no further than lal mas. This dish is a true representation of the region's rich culinary heritage, offering a taste of history and tradition in every bite. But be warned, this dish is not for the faint of heart. The intense heat of the chilies can be overwhelming, and it's not uncommon for first-timers to find themselves reaching for a glass of water or a piece of bread to cool their burning mouths. It's a fiery delight that will test your limits and leave you asking for a break. But for those who can handle the heat, the rewards are well worth the effort. The combination of flavors and the satisfaction of conquering such a challenging dish make it an experience like no other. But for those brave enough to take on the challenge, the rewards are well worth the effort. The intense heat is balanced by the rich, savory flavors of the dish, creating a culinary experience that is both thrilling and deeply satisfying. So gather your courage, take a deep breath, and dive into the fiery world of lal mas. You won't regret it. Third dish. All right, my friends, listen up. If you think you've tasted the pinnacle of spicy cuisine, think again. We've conquered the fiery inferno of fail curry, a dish so hot it could make a dragon weep, and survived the scorching heat of lal mas, a Rajasthani delicacy that leaves your taste buds tingling. Now get ready for round 3, straight from the kitchens of Andhra Pradesh. It's Andhra chili chicken. This dish is not just a meal, it's an experience, a journey through the heart of South Indian spice. This isn't your grandma's Sunday roast, folks. Forget the mild, comforting flavors of a traditional roast chicken. This is a dish that packs a punch, a culinary adventure that will leave you breathless. We're talking about chicken so tender it falls apart at the touch, drenched in a sauce that's an explosion of flavor and fire. Imagine a symphony of spices, each note hitting your palate with precision and intensity. This region of India doesn't mess around when it comes to spice. Andhra Pradesh is known for its bold and fiery cuisine, and the chilies here are the stars of the show. They take their chilies seriously, and believe me, you'll taste the heat in every single bite. From the moment you take your first bite, you'll be hit with a wave of heat that builds and builds, leaving you craving more. But it's not just about the heat, it's about the perfect balance of flavors. The chefs here are masters of their craft, blending spices with a precision that creates a harmonious balance of tangy, spicy, and savory notes. This dish will ignite your taste buds with a symphony of tangy, spicy, and savory notes, leaving you craving more. Each bite is a burst of flavor, a dance of spices that will leave you wanting more. We're talking about a marinade that's been simmering for hours, infusing the chicken with an incredible amount of flavor. The secret lies in the slow cooking process, allowing the spices to penetrate deep into the meat. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, cumin, the list goes on. These spices are the building blocks of flavor, each one adding its own unique touch to the dish. And then there's the star of the show, the chilies. These aren't just any chilies. They're carefully selected for their heat and flavor, each one adding a unique level of intensity to the dish. They're not just thrown in haphazardly. Each chili is chosen with care, ensuring that the dish has the perfect balance of heat and flavor. Each one is carefully selected to bring a unique level of heat and depth to the dish. From the mild fruity notes of the Kashmiri chili to the intense heat of the Guntur chili, each one plays a crucial role in creating the perfect dish. So, if you think you can handle the heat, grab your forks and get ready to dig into a plate of pure culinary fire. This is a dish that will challenge your taste buds and leave you craving more. Just remember, I warned you, this dish is not for the faint of heart. It's a test of your spice tolerance, a challenge that will leave you sweating and reaching for a glass of water. This Andhra chili chicken is not for the faint of heart. It's a dish that will push your limits, a fiery challenge that will leave you breathless and craving more. So are you ready to take on the heat? Fourth dish. Right, you think you're a spice enthusiast, do you? Think you can handle the heat? Well, get ready because we're about to dive into a fiery abyss with the Bhut Jolokia pickle. This isn't your ordinary pickle, my friend. This one's made with the infamous ghost pepper, the Bhut Jolokia, and let me tell you, it's hotter than a summer's day in the desert. This pepper, my friends, is a beast. It will challenge your taste buds and leave you sweating and gasping for air. One bite of this pickle and you'll be calling for help. But hey, if you think you've got the stomach for it, by all means, dig in. Just remember, I warned you. This isn't some mild chili sauce you can slather on your burger. This is serious stuff. One wrong move and you'll be feeling it for days. So, are you brave enough to face the ghost peppers challenge? Or are you going to play it safe and order a mild korma? The choice, my friend, is yours. Listen up, my friends, fifth dish. Today we're heading straight to the heart of India, to a region where spice is more than just a flavor, it's a way of life. We're talking about Kolhapur, the land of fiery curries and the legendary Kolhapuri chicken. This isn't your typical Sunday roast, no way. This dish is a fiery burst of flavor, packed with a special blend of spices that will set your taste buds tingling. It's the kind of dish that separates the casual eaters from the true spice lovers. We're talking tender, juicy chicken cooked in a rich, dark gravy that's bursting with chilies, ginger, garlic, and a symphony of aromatic spices. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to savor every bite, even if your mouth feels like it's on fire. So, loosen your belts, grab a napkin, and get ready for a culinary adventure that will leave you sweating, satisfied, and craving more. This is Kolhapuri chicken, and it's not for the faint of heart. So there you have it, everyone. 5 of the spiciest, most extreme Indian dishes that will put your taste buds to the ultimate test. From the fiery heat of the fal curry to the intense spice of the Bhut Jolokia pickle, these dishes are not for the faint of heart. But for those brave enough to handle the heat, they offer an unforgettable culinary adventure. A roller coaster of flavors that will leave you sweating, satisfied, and craving more. Which of these dishes would you dare to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spicy content. Until next time, keep it spicy. For more amazing food and drinks, tips, and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.